Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading scenario, and today we are going to discuss the situation on Bitcoin chart and also discuss a possible trading scenario that might be happening in the next few minutes. Okay, so right now, what has happened? Let's zoom in on a 5-minute time frame, and what you can see is that we have this red candle, claiming this low over here, and also another low right back about here. Yeah, okay, so we have claimed these two lows. If I draw a horizontal line right over this low, you can see that it has been claimed and we have a good push to the upside. So what I'm looking at is a retracement to the 618 level for a possible long back to the upside. Okay, so we have a pretty good push to the upside after this failed breakout, so it makes me think that another bounce is quite possible, all depending on the price action we make on the 618 or even the 50% Fibonacci. If we make a sort of a hammer candle or some other confluence, we will be jumping into trade live. Okay, so as you can see, after the push up, we have rejected off the point of control from this range, almost exactly the point of control from this range, and now we are coming down, heading towards the 618. So we'll be taking a look at what happens in that moment. Okay, so overall we have been still ranging in this range from about multiple days now. If I take a look at the measure, we can see it's about 4 days in this range, consolidating sideways. That makes the probability of a bump and run scenario higher and higher. We have claimed these lows right now. We could also have another push to the downside, so stay cautious and use good risk management on the 50% 618 fib level. Okay, so what could also happen is we could form a Gartley pattern coming down over here, claiming these lows again to sweep more liquidity below them. So it is really important to have good risk management over here, as you always want to stay defensive and protect your trading account. Okay, so right now we'll just take a look at the price section. We are heading slightly down. Let's just take a look at that. About 36 seconds to the close of this candle, 10 minutes on the 15-minute chart. Let's just see how we react on the 50% 618 and possibly take a long position. Okay, so we are currently heading down. I can already tell you, if you are longing in this range, your stop loss is not too low. Just make it about this level, because if you're heading down, you are probably going to come and claim this low. Okay, so the main thing is to stay cautious and be patient at the 50% and 618 to detect the possible scenario. This is also the weekly level that has been providing some sort of choppy support, and yeah, so this was the same strategy that we discussed in one of our previous videos, the video from before yesterday, in which two lows slightly higher are made and liquidity is swept below them, pushing price higher. This trade was also played out yesterday that we discussed in our video, so make sure to pay attention to these levels. So yesterday as well, we had a good swing failure pattern on this low, claiming all of these slightly higher lows, also retracing back to 618, forming a hammer candle. This was a really good long to take with really good risk management. This was an epic trade to take. So now let's see if we do have similar price action on the current trade, and we'll take a look if we want to get into the trade. So we're already having some good push to the upside. We're already having some good momentum. Let's just see where we're headed, and are we coming in to claim these two highs and possibly higher. I can already tell you these two lows are created similarly, but it does not mean that you have to blindly short the level without any consolidation or any sign of weakness. So make sure to look for the sign of weaknesses, as on the 5-minute time frame you had this candle claiming below these lows and closing above this low. Okay, so what is gonna happen in the next few minutes? Let's just wait and watch.